went to school in the UK, this dessert needs no introduction. Today we are making the chocolate concrete, that rock hard chocolatey legend, and these are the ingredients you will need to make it. So first we add the flour into a mixing bowl. Then we add the sugar. And now we add the cocoa powder. Make sure it's cocoa powder, not hot chocolate. And now with a wooden spoon, give it a good mix, making sure it's all mixed up and all the lumps are broken up. So it should look like this. Now it's time to melt the butter. Now I'm using a frying pan and it's a little bit too hot, so we're going to turn the temperature down. You don't want it hot, guys. You just want it melted. So once melted, just leave it sitting around for about 5 to 10 minutes just to cool down a little bit. You don't want it too hot to go into the mixture. Now pour your melted butter into the mixture. And now give it a good stir. So once mixed together, it will look like this. Now it looks very dry and you might think I'll add some more liquid. Don't. This is the way you make chocolate concrete. Okay, it's time to start greasing our tin. So I'm using a 9-inch square tin. You can use a circle tin if you want to. So once greased, we need to line the tray with baking paper. Now add your mixture into the tin. Using the back of a wooden spoon, start leveling the mixture into the tin, making sure you don't miss out the corners. You can press down a little bit firmly, as you want it nice and flat. Looking like this. Now splash a little bit of water on top. Now you want to add some sugar on top. Making sure you get all the sides. Now you want to place this in an oven at 160 Celsius for 25 minutes. So once baked, leave it to stand for a few minutes and then start cutting. You want 9 slices, and then once it's cut, make sure you leave it to stand for a bit longer because it will firm up to get that nice crunch what we all remember at school. And this is always best served with pink custard. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.